How Python began. Python was created in the late 1980s by Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer. A brief history. 1989. Guido began developing Python during the Christmas holidays. He wanted to create a programming language that was easy to read, simple to learn, and powerful enough for real-world projects. 1991. The first public release, Python 0.9.0, was launched. It already included features such as functions, classes, exception handling, and modules. The name Python. Contrary to what many people think, the name does not come from the snake. It was inspired by the British comedy group Monty Python, of which Guido was a fan. 2000. Python 2.0 was released, introducing major improvements such as a garbage collector. 2008. Python 3.0 was released as a major update that addressed several limitations of Python 2, even though it was not fully backward compatible. 2020. Official support for Python 2 ended, and development has since focused exclusively on Python 3. Why did Python become so popular? Python has become one of the world's most widely used programming languages because it has a simple, English-like syntax. It is an excellent language for beginners. It runs on Windows, macOS, and Linux. It offers a vast ecosystem of libraries for web development, automation, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and much more. It has a large and active community that provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and tools. Today, Python is widely used in software development, data analysis, automation, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence.